Hi guys, hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I want to thank you for our super chatter member of my channel to always supporting me, right? And my channel. Okay, shout out for NYC. This NYC. This is my member of my channel. Thank you so much. And also for PMC, Proud Mixed Child. This Proud Mixed Child, guys. This one. 27 months. 27 months member of my channel. And also, Sir GC Travel and Vlog. Thank you so much for always giving gift of my channel. My super chatter. And the monkey also, this one. Monkey. Okay, and Kid Wonder Mukbang, thank you for the giving super chat, yeah, of my channel. And for the member also, thank you for joining my member. And PMC Podmix Child, thank you so much for the giving super chat. Sir, this is more. Thank you for always giving super chat. This is more adventure. This is more adventure. All things, thank you for the giving super chat. All things is for all things, and all things again. Okay, PMC, thank you so much, PMC, for the giving super chat. PMC, thank you for the giving super chat. Alswan, thank you for the giving super chat. Mom Mom Annie, 21 months, 21 months, yeah, 21 months, a member of my channel. And NYC, thank you for the giving super chat, Sisi. It's Life of Mountain. Okay. NYC. So this is more adventure. Mom, also this mom, Cherry, this one, give super things. Hey, Cherry, hey, Cherry. And also this mom, all things. Yeah, thank you for the giving super chat. Indo, thank you for the giving super chat. Pro, yeah. Mom Precious and Jane, thank you for the giving super chat and member of my channel, maybe 27 months member. This mama. Okay, and Alswan, thank you Alswan for the giving super chat. Guys, and all the members of my channel, this one, Mom Precious and Jane, thank you. All the member of my channel, I have entry. M3 and Mines, thank you for the giving super chat. NYC, Sir Adventure, M3 and Mines. They have more, guys, huh? I'm not read all because I'm busy. I make some foods now. And this for Apong Marina on TV. Thank you for the giving super chat, CC. Much love always. I'm 30 months member of my channel. And my birthday and January 18, I have raffle for members. Eldoro, thank you for the giving super chat. Winston Hill. Sir Winston, thank you for the giving super chat, Sir Winston. Sir Winston Hill. This is more adventure. This is more adventure. This is more adventure. Proud Mix, PMC. Trick with us. These are new friends. Yeah, Trick. This Trick. Please support in her channel, guys. Ma'am Patricia Elkins and family, thank you for member 24 months, 2 years. So this is more adventure. This is more adventure. PMC, Proud Mixed Child. PMC. Kill Curve. You know that who? Proud Mixed Child. Amando Mom, thank you for the giving super chat, Amando Mom. This is more adventure. In Mercedes, thank you for the giving super chat. And also, Probinsya ng Nanay. Thank you for the giving super chat, Probinsya ng Nanay. And Proud Mix is 26 months. Now is 27 months member of my channel. M3 Minds, thank you so much. PMC. PMC. What's this? PMC. Soulstar, thank you for the giving super chat, Soulstar. Guys, I don't have time to edit, guys, huh? Yeah, this for M3 Minds, thank you for the giving super chat. So this is more adventure. NYC game. PMC. Mom Triv, thank you so much, Mom Triv, Mom Jo, and is Vicky, thank you for the giving super chat. And underrated dance. Also, Sapanta, yep, thank you for the giving super chat. Because Mom Helen Mandug Taylor, thank you for the giving super chat. So this is more adventure. Bear Bike, thank you for the giving super chat. And NYC and GC Travel and Vlog. And also, guys, this Elds, guys, thank you so much, CC Elds, and please support in her channel, guys. This one, Elds 62 TV. Also, Mendoza Sam, please support in her channel. My supportive friend from Cebu City. Yeah, this is Vicky. Please support in her channel, is Vicky. Pencil, this is more. Mom M3 and Minds. Yeah, guys, thank you guys always for supporting in my channel. Now I'm very busy. I'm sorry for I'm not coming in your live stream. Just sometimes I come in the video only because I'm very busy now. Not same before in Saudi Arabia. Not more my work here. More from 6 in the morning until 11. That time no rest, just working, but no choice. I will finish this. I finish class. Go. Yeah. Thank you always for supporting. God bless and love you all, guys.